Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is the unboxing video of the iPhone 10. So I have the iPhone 10 right here, and roll the clip to the unboxing video. Tabs right here, the pull tabs. You just pull it. I just feel the satisfying sound of the wrapping paper. I'll do this one right here. Design Apple in California, and I'm supposing this one is a black one or white one. Ooh, this one's the black one. So first impressions, guys. I don't think I'm gonna take off the wrapper. I think I'm gonna turn it on because my parents' case didn't come yet. So here, let me power this one on. Because Apple didn't include the SIM card slot. So here's this is the black one once again. We're gonna take a look at it, all black. I'm gonna pick the silver one. And look at that beautiful white display. So I'm gonna turn it on. Turn it on too, and I have to set it up for them. So yeah. And then I'll be back when I'm done setting it up, guys. So this is my unboxing, and so far, guys, I really love this phone. Cool phone, but since it's not my phone, I can't give you guys my whole in-depth review of it. Everything's really reliable. I love the camera on this phone. Super great camera. I'm just not used to having to slide right here and then slide right here to get the record. I'm just not used to that. Apple Music works great. I love the whole new layout of Apple Music. I mean, that's just and then the microphones still look great. I mean, they still sound great. That's my unboxing video. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.